Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're at the Village, we're at their fitness center. This is a 2-story fitness center. It's literally the best fitness center I've ever seen in an apartment complex. It's not even close. So we've already taken a video of the first floor. I walked around it. I want to show off the second floor. So this is what you're going to see here. Massive section over here. You can see there's got a nice outdoor lawn. You know, you can do stuff out there. And then this massive area over here too, where you can do treadmills, Jacob's ladder. You got a lot here. Wow, so many things over here. Ellipticals that are over here. You can watch TV, of course. Just so much equipment over here. Really impressed with the amount here. You can see there's much more than's needed. You're looking out on some really pretty views, you know, with windows that are over there. And then it keeps going over here too. So there's even more and more going on over here.